the decimal fractions. Okay, so usually in this topic hardly one or two question comes. So my intention that you should not miss if they ask questions like on this decimal fractions. Okay, so in the decimal fraction they'll ask a different way. They'll give a decimal numbers like 011 plus 012 plus 013 like this. So they'll ask a addition of this. The questions, they'll ask addition of decimals. Okay, and they'll ask a question like subtraction. Okay, they'll give a question and they'll tell us to do the subtraction. Okay, and they'll also tell us to do the multiplication. Sometimes they'll ask a multiplication question, and sometimes division question comes in this using a decimals, and sometimes they'll ask like a conversion questions like convert decimal to they'll say like vulgar or a fraction form. Okay, they'll ask to convert a decimal to a fraction form, and they'll sometimes they'll ask, will use, suppose they'll give a questions like 1/2, 3/4, 6/8. Okay, they'll ask find the ascending order, find the ascending and descending. Okay, ascending and descending order they'll ask. To find out the ascending and descending orders, we have to convert these to a decimal, and we have to do. Okay, we have to convert and we have to do the decimal points. And another thing, they'll ask a question in the form of like simplification. They'll give a question like a 0563 question, and they'll give a what will be the answer. Or sometimes they'll give a like this 0537 plus one more number and divided by plus one more number. They'll ask answer. Sometime they'll ask how many decimal points to be keep at answer. Okay, so they'll ask a simplification problems. So here around seven type forms will come in the decimal points. Okay, using a decimal point they'll ask us different seven type of questions. It may be addition, subtraction, those common arithmetic operations, and converting into a fraction to a decimal, or decimal to a fraction, and finding a ascending and descending order, and the simplification problems. Okay, so here and one more. So we'll solve some problems which commonly ask in the exams and all. So here what happens, suppose whenever we say the decimal, okay, whenever we say the decimal fraction. So what is a decimal fraction? As you all know, so what is a decimal fraction? So we are taking a decimal fraction is like fraction is which denominators are the powers of tenths. Okay, what is the decimal fraction? Fraction is, okay, the definition of the decimal fraction is like fractions is which, okay, fractions is which denominator, okay, denominators are powers of 10. Okay, powers of 10th means, like if I write like this is the fraction. Okay, this is the fraction, and we'll write in the decimal 0.7. So this is the power of 10. Okay, and sometime we'll write like this is a 100. So we'll write this as is a 0.7. So here it is a what is a power of 10 only. No, I can write here power of 10. And same way, if I write 7/1000, so this is also a power of 10 only. So here it's a 3. So we'll write 0.003. So this is a decimal and this is a fraction. So what we are writing, decimal fraction. Decimal fraction in the sense the denominator will be in the 10th power Okay, the denominator is always in the power of 10th. Okay, this is about the how we write a decimal when they give a fraction. Okay, using this basic thing, we'll move forward. Okay, they'll ask a first concept. They'll ask conversion problems. Okay, conversion. What conversion? Like decimal to a fraction. Decimal to fraction. So they'll usually there such questions comes in your exams. Decimal to a fraction. Okay, decimal to a fraction. So what is the decimal to a fraction? So here they'll ask a question like 0.25. Okay, 0.25 is a decimal. We have to find out it in the fraction form. So 0.25 can be written as, see here, how many digits are there after point? So 2 digits are there. What we have to write here 25, and after digit, after decimal point, 2 digits are there. You have to take a 1 always, and then keep that many zeros. How many digits are there after decimal point? Okay, so you know this all how to write this thing. Okay, then you have to make it simplify if it is going like 25 ones are 25 4. So this is a fraction form, and sometime it won't go like they'll give a question 2.008. How to write here? So first write 2008 and c divided by 1. How many digits are there after decimal? 3 digits are there. So keep a 3 zeros. Okay, keep a 3 zeros, and if it goes, do the fraction. Like you will get a, if you do this, you'll get an answer final one 251 and 125. So this is your final. So this is the form they'll give, like convert from decimal to a fraction. Okay, they'll give a decimal to a fraction. Okay, so we'll see some problems like based on this which they ask regularly. Okay, the for another thing like one more question all the time comes like what will the fraction, what will be the, what is the fraction for, what is the fraction form of, okay, what is the fraction form of 0.47? Okay, so they'll write like this 0.47. So what is the meaning of this 0.47? So 47 means like after 47 again it is coming recurrently, like again and again this 47 is coming. Okay, like if you divide like 10 by 3, okay, 10 by 3 is what? 0.9. So again and again it comes 0.9, 0.9. So then what I'll write like this, because I know how many times you divide it comes like a 0.9, 0.9, 0.9 only. So if it is coming again and again recurrently, then I'll write a bar over the digit. Okay, I'll write a bar over the digit. So here what happens, if I write a 0.47, it comes here after 47 also like this. So here it's the end time it comes. So instead of writing all the digits, I'll write only a 0.47. Okay, I'll write only a 0.47. And in exams, in competitive exam, you have to observe clearly, like sometimes they'll write like this. Bar is only for 7. Bar is only for 7 means how it happens? 0.4, it comes 777 because bar is on only on the 7. Here bar is on the 2 digits. Okay, so you have to see carefully, the bar is on the 2 digits, above the 2 digit or on the single digit, and it won't be like this. It won't be like this, huh? So it won't be like this because always the second term they'll check which is coming again and again, not a first term. So here this is won't be like this 4 bar 7. So it is always a 4 7 bar. Okay, 4 7 bar. So here what we have to do, we have to convert this 0.47 into a fraction form हमको लेना है. We have to convert 0.47 to a decimal point. Okay, 0.47 को decimal point में लेना है तो क्या करना है? So first the rule is to convert this. The rule is to convert this. Okay, write a 47 here. Okay, write a 47 here. Check on how many digit bar is given. पहले देखो कि इधर बार कितने डिजिट के ऊपर दिए हैं. ओके, इधर कैसे दिए हैं? 2 डिजिट के ऊपर बार है. अगर 2 डिजिट के ऊपर बार रहे तो नीचे क्या लेना है? 99 लेना है. ओके, व्हेन यू आर कन्वर्टिंग, चेक, इधर 2 डिजिट के ऊपर बार लिया है, इसलिए मैं क्या लिया? 47 के नीचे 2 डिजिट लिया, 2 9 लिया. अगर वो ऐसे था 0.4 बार, okay, then what you have to do? 4 divided by 9. Okay, so 4 divided by 9 लेना है. Okay, and suppose if it is like this 0.57 बार, एक को बार है और एक को बार नहीं है. ओके, तो कैसे लेना है? इधर 57. ओके, सो कैसे लेना है? 57. इसके नीचे क्या करना है? एक बार है, एक के डिजिट के ऊपर ही बार है. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? एज पर रूल ओनली 19, बट बार के डिजिट के पहले क्या है? एक डिजिट है. ओके, 5 है, इसलिए इधर क्या करना है? तभी add a 1 0. If it is like this, then I'll tell now later how to do. So just count. इधर इसके बाद कुछ भी डिजिट नहीं है, इसलिए सिर्फ मैं 99 रखा. If there is a digit, like if it is a 477 bar, if it is like this, it will come like 477 divided by 990. It will come like this. Okay, then there's a step is there, but you should be keep in mind 9 कैसे आता है? 99 कब आता है? 99 कब आएगा? 9 कब आएगा? 90 कब आएगा? 1990 0 कब आएगा? So the simple thing is, if I'll write all the forms. So if 0 पर 7 रहा तो कैसे आएगा? इधर 7 by 9 आएगा. 7 बार है तो क्या आएगा? 7 by 9 आएगा. If 017 बार रहा तो 017 बार रहा तो 17 by 90 आएगा. ओके, एंड इफ 0 दोनों के ऊपर बार रहा तो 77 डिवाइडेड बाय 99 आएगा. ओके, नहीं तो अभी 177 के बार यहाँ ऐसे बार रहा तो 177 डिवाइडेड बाय 990 ऐसा आएगा. एंड अगर ऐसे रहा 127 बार रहा तो कैसे आएगा? देखो अभी 127 बार, एक ही डिजिट के ऊपर बार है, बाकी 2 के ऊपर बार नहीं है. देन कितने डिजिट के ऊपर बार नहीं है? हाउ मेनी डिजिट नॉट कंटेन द बार्स? यू हैव टू पुट दोज मेनी zeros up next to the 9. Now only above the 7 there is a bar, so what you have to write? 127. Well, only one digit has a bar, so I'll write a 9, and 2 digits are free from the bar, so add 2 zeros. Okay, and if it is 1277, then what you have to write? 1277, 2 digit के ऊपर बार है, then take a double line. 2 डिजिट के ऊपर बार नहीं है, then put a 2 zeros. Okay, put a 2 zeros. Okay, see here how to convert this. Now it is contain a bar. 4 7 दोनों के ऊपर बार है, इसलिए मुझे क्या करना है? I'll write here दोनों के ऊपर बार है, so I'll write a 47 divided by 99. So this is your answer. Okay, how to convert from decimal to a fraction? Just see how many digits contains a bar. So 2 digits contain a bar, then keep those many digit 9 below the 47. Okay, this is the one conversion from 47 to a fraction form. Okay, so I'll take one more question now. So you'll come to know this is about the 47. Now I'll take one more, the simple one. I'll take it as convert what is the fraction form of 0.36 bar. Okay, so there is a 36, उसके ऊपर क्या है, बार है. So तब क्या करना है इधर? So take a 36 and write divided by 99. Okay, write it divided by 99. So here if it is going again further, so क्या है, 3 से divide होता है. So if I divide this, so it will be a 4, and now 9 4s are 36 and 9 11s are 99. So this is the last form. So check whether again it is dividing with any table or not. अगर वो divide नहीं हो रहा तो उसको इतना ही रखो, हो रहा है तो just do it next. Suppose I'll take a one more, convert into a 99 bar. 99 बार है, इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है? जस्ट कीप इट एज 99 बाय 99. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. 99 बाय 99. एंड इफ इट इज अ 0.78, इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है? 78 बाय 99. ओके, सो दिस इज द one form of conversion. Okay, next, if it is a question is like bar 5 bar, then how to convert it? 5 by 9. 5 by 9. If it is a 0.8 bar, 8 by 9. Okay, 8 by 9. So remember these are conversion things. Okay
सर
चलो,
वो 9 और 99 क्यों लेना है?
99 इधर क्वेश्चन दिया है ना.
नहीं सर, डिनोमिनेटर में
99 क्यों लेना है? Okay, so here what happens, no, it is like now what is the value of this 1 by 9? 1 by 9 is like there's a total area is 9, in there there's a one part is 1, like this. So here if I convert like bar 3, so this will be like this is the one part of 10. Okay, and here bar is like a -1 with a like a decimal. So there is a derivation is there that is not required here. Okay, कैसे करना है? 6 plus 0.46. then इसको कैसे करना है? 6 plus 46 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 46 by 99. Okay, इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 46 by 99. So I can write this as like this also. I can write this as, हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसको हम सेपरेटली लिखा तो भी क्या होता है? दिस इज बाय 1, 6 into 99 plus 46 आएगा. यस, सो इसको भी हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? नॉर्मली 69 into 6 plus 46. सो अगर वो ऐसे फॉर्म में रहा तो डायरेक्टली हमको क्या कर सकते हैं? डायरेक्टली यू कैन डू 6 into 46 by 99. Okay, so here now what you have to do next, either check options. अगर आपके ऑप्शन पे डायरेक्टली इतना ही रहा तो इधर ही छोड़ दो. ओके, अगर आपके ऑप्शन नहीं रहा, if it your option is not in this form, then convert back. So how to convert? 6 into 69, that comes as 594 plus 46 divided by 99, and you will get a, if you add this you will get a 640 and 99. So check करो आपके ऑप्शन पे what they said, convert it into fraction form 6.46. if your answer is contain this, stop here only. अगर ये ऑप्शन नहीं रहा, then do the next step, you will get out at least this option. Okay, based on the option you have to do, don't do blindly like अगर इधर ही रहा तो stop कर दो, नहीं तो you have to go next step. So this is how you have to convert. So I'll tell now one more method. अगर अभी देखो, if it is in this form, 0.57. ओके, सो इधर देखो एक डिजिट के ऊपर बार है. ओके, देयर इज अ बार इन ओनली इन द अबव वन डिजिट. ओके, इसको कैसे करना है, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस एज पर रूल. फर्स्ट कैसे करना है, 57 लिखो. ओके, 57 लिखो. देन नीचे क्या है, एक के ऊपर ही बार है. सो आई विल टेक अ 9 and there one digit is free from the bar. So what you have to do, apply one 0 to that. Then next step is, this is not stop over now. इसको और एक स्टेप भी है. क्या करना है, अभी 57 by 90 लिख लिया. 90 कैसे लिखा, एक के ऊपर 9 है, बार है इसलिए 9 लिखा, और then one digit is free, I added a 0. Now how to convert this, then what you have to do, just subtract from this 5 is free from bar. Okay, this is free from bar. Okay, that you subtract here. कौन सा डिजिट के ऊपर बार नहीं है ना, उसको टोटल डिजिट में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो इफ आई डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन हियर, आई विल गेट हियर 52 by 90, and if I solve again this, I'll get this as a 26. Okay, and here is a 45. सो आपको कैसे, दिस इज द फाइनल फॉर्म. आई होप आपको समझ में आया कैसे करना है. पहले अगर वो ऐसे फॉर्म में था तो एक ही बार है. सो फर्स्ट राइट 57, एक बार है ना इसलिए 9 लिखो, एक बार से नहीं है 0 लिखो. देन टेक दिस एज अ माइनस, सो विल गेट हियर 52 by 90. So this is a way how to convert. And I'll take a one more example, like now same way you have to convert. So I'll give one more example, 0.3523. Okay, just tell what to do now. Take this 0.12 bar. बोलो कैसे करना है.
12 minus 1
12
by 90.
Yes, by 90. So this will get 11 by 90. 11 by 90. Okay, so I'll give one more, 0.546. इसको कैसे करना है,
546 minus 5 by 990.
Yes, correct. So you will get here 541 by 990. Okay, so now I'll give one more now. 0.4, sorry, I'll just rub this. समझ में आया ना इसको कैसे करना है कन्वर्ट.
हाँ सर.
Okay, now I'll give one more one. Just tell that 0.84181. इसको बोलो. One second. Now tell.
84181 minus 841.
Minus 841. Minus 841 divided by how many?
99000.
Yes, correct. So इसका आंसर आएगा 838340. Okay, and divided by 9900. अगर इसको भी चेक करो अगर ये कटेगा क्या नहीं. Then if it is there, then write in next form also, 550. So this is your answer. Now tell this, convert to a fraction for 4.12. Tell this 4.12 bar.
Twelve minus 1 upon 90.
Starting step 4 कहाँ गया?
4 plus
4 plus 12 minus 1 upon कितना है?
90.
90.
90. Correct. Okay. Then next step is 4 plus 11 by 90 आएगा. Okay. Then इसको क्या करना है फिर? Again solve it. 4 into 90 is 360 plus 11 by 90. So you'll get the answer as 371 by 90. So this is your fraction form. Okay. Then tell me this. 6.46 bar. 6.46 बार को कन्वर्ट करके बोलो अभी.
6 plus 46 divided by 99.
6 plus 46 divided by 99. Yes, correct. We'll get here 6.46 bar is 6 plus 46 by 99. Then you can see next conversion also. You will get that as 640 by 99. Okay. So this is the thing. Now, this is a one method. This is a one form of they'll ask usually in the decimal. Now, try this. One more last we'll do. 36. इसको convert करो.
2 plus
136.
136 minus 1 divided by 990.
Okay. So you'll get an answer as 2 plus 135 by 990. Then you can do the next simplification. Now what they'll do, now you came to know the one digit conversion. Now they'll do the mix of this conversion. How? They'll ask, I'll just rub this. They'll ask like, what is the value? What is the value of 0.2 bar plus 0.3 bar plus 0.4 bar plus 0.9 bar plus 0.39 bar. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? You have to do quickly now. Don't need to do the stepwise. इधर ही देख के लिखना है. Then add together and you have to tell within 1 minute. Because around 60 questions are there in the exam, means they'll ask expect like 60 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes. So few questions required 1 minute and few questions required less than 1 minute. So you have to prepare in that way. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Try this.
Plus 9 by 9 plus 39 by 99.
Next.
So total is 57 by 99.
57 by 99. 57? नहीं, चेक करो. So I'll try now.
So add किया है ना?
हाँ वही ऐड करने के बाद क्या करना है, इधर देखो कैसे ऐड करना है. इधर 9 by 9 है, उतना ही रखो. ये दोनों उतना ही रखो. I'll come to this. इधर देखो 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 आ गया. So 9 by 9 plus 9 by 9 plus 39 by 99. So इसका क्या है 1 plus 1 plus. So आपका आंसर क्या आ गया 2 plus 99. Okay, 2 plus 99. So if I divide this, only this, so that is 13 and 33, क्योंकि 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 3s are. So कैसे आ गया अभी 2 plus 13 by 33. So क्या आएगा 33 into 2 66. 66 plus 13 by 33. तो क्या आएगा आंसर 79 by 33. Yes. तो
Yes, sir.
इधर ही चेक करो 2 plus 3 क्योंकि if the denominator is same then numerator will be added firstly, like 2 plus 3 plus 4 7, sorry 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so divided by 9, sorry this 9 and this 9 will become a 1, 1 plus 1 2, and that will be added to here, then you will get an answer like this. Okay, so this they'll ask now all the arithmetic operation they'll ask in this form. Now this is an example for now addition. Now they'll ask a subtraction, they'll ask a multiplication, they'll ask a division. So you have to do those all the forms. So I'll solve one problem. So like that they'll ask in the exam. Now we'll do one subtraction. Okay, they'll ask what is the value of 87 bar minus 2.59 bar. What is the value? Do this quickly. 1.28 bar, you will get an answer. Okay, so I want again in this form means I don't want in the fraction form. So कैसे करना है? Quickly कैसे करना है? Just 3 plus 87 by 99 minus 2 plus 59 by 99. Then what? 3 minus 2, you will get a 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Directly do here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, 87 minus 59. So I'll write one step or else you'll get confused. 87 minus 59 by 99. So 87 में 57 गया तो कितना आएगा? Okay, 17 means 8 आएगा. So 28 आएगा. Okay, so you will get here 1 into 28 by 99. So इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते? 1.28 bar. Understood? समझ में आया ना?
Yes.
Take this quickly. We'll solve one more. So you have to be in perfect, like they can ask in this form. So you have to be right in this form. They can ask in the fraction form. So based on the options, okay. So you check the option in which form they have given answers. Okay. So I'll take one more now. Mm, 3.36 bar minus 2.0505 bar, okay, plus 1.33 bar. I want answer again in the bar form only. Okay, solve this.
सर वो लास्ट वाला बार 3 को भी है क्या? 33 को है कि बस 3 को है?
Yes, 33 को है. So all are in 99 form only. सबको दो दो के ऊपर बार है. So what you do know, I suggest first add all the positive values. 3 plus 1 क्या आएगा? 4 आएगा. So 4 into the bracket 36 and 33. 36 and 33 is what? Again 99 only. 36 and 33 is 99.
2.64 bar.
2.64 bar.
2.64 bar.
64
Yes.
bar.
Yes, correct.
64.
2.64 bar. 2.64 bar. So here, what I'll do, I'll take 4 plus 36 plus 33, 99 and 99. Okay, and here I'll take only this separate. 2 plus 0 5 99. Okay, so here if we solve this 4 minus 2 क्या आएगा 2 आएगा. Okay, then here it is a 64 by 99 minus 5 by 99, so we'll get a 54. Sorry, it's correct, no, 69. So we'll get a 2.64 by, this is the bar. Here you'll get a 264 by 99. So 2.64 bar. This is the answer. Okay. So now we'll go to the next one. This is also next one similar, I think. Okay, in different form it is. Just try this. 0.3467 bar plus 0.1333 bar. What is the answer? सिर्फ दो के ऊपर बार है, not for all the things.
.48 bar.
0.4801 bar.
Okay.
3467, okay, divided by 9900 minus 34 plus 1333 minus 13 divided by 9900. Okay, so here this one comes as 48. So this one comes as, sorry, 34. 34 इसमें माइनस करो 33 आएगा, so इधर प्लस 1320 आएगा, then 9900.
कैसे किया आपने?
क्या हुआ?
-34 ओ -34 और
तो इधर क्या
-34
है, देखो इधर बार के ऊपर सिर्फ 30, बार किसके ऊपर है, 67 के ऊपर बार है. ओके, इधर 34 के ऊपर बार नहीं है, सो उसको -34 लेना पड़ता है. 3467 -34. प्लस का प्रॉब्लम देखा ना, 60 पूरा नंबर ले लो, 3467 पूरा नंबर ले लो. किसके ऊपर बार नहीं है, 34 के ऊपर बार नहीं है, उसको इधर माइनस कर दो, -34. सेम इधर भी पूरा नंबर क्या है, 1333 है. सिर्फ 2 के ऊपर बार है, 2 के ऊपर बार नहीं है. बार किसके ऊपर नहीं है, 13 के ऊपर बार नहीं है, सो -13 डिवाइडेड बाय 99, क्योंकि 2 के ऊपर बार है 99. बार के पहले कितने डिजिट है, 2 डिजिट है, 00.
हाँ सर.
Okay, so now add this. So if I add this, you'll get a
4753.
4753. Yes, 4753 you'll get. 4753 by 900. Then here what you have to do now?
0.4801 bar.
Yes, 0.4801 बार. इसको कैसे आपको एनालाइज करना है, किसके साथ मैं सबट्रैक्ट किया तो मुझे 4753 आएगा. सो इफ आई डू, सो हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट यू हैव टू टेक अ वन वैल्यू. इधर आपको इधर थोड़ा टाइम लेगा, क्योंकि आपको ये करने के लिए, क्योंकि ओनली दिस स्टेप विल टेक अ मोर टाइम. आई फाइंड आउट एक्चुअली हाउ टू डू. सो इफ आई राइट 4801 minus 48, if I write 48 and 01 minus 48, I'll get a 4753 I'll get. So I'll tell this point. Actually, I did get how to do here shortly. I'll tell that, don't worry. Only this will take a more time. Up to here, no worries. Only this will take a time. इसके बाद में क्या आएगा, 9900 रहता है. then आपको क्या करना है, 4801 इसके ऊपर बार आएगा. Okay, so I'll tell how to do in shorter way this last step. Okay, तो मैं कल के क्लास में आपको बोल दूंगा इसको कैसे करना है. Okay, so one more will solve, the multiplication will solve. Okay, इधर आया ना कैसे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, समझ में आया ना. So you just think on this and I'll also think how to get this. So we'll take one more on this concept, last question. 54 point, no, this is multiplication के ऊपर नहीं है. Okay, this is a different simple है. So we'll take this one. इसका क्या आएगा देखो, 8.31 बार प्लस 0.6 बार प्लस 0.02 बार, इसका वैल्यू इन बार ओनली. बार के फॉर्म में दे दो, कैसे आएगा, कितना आएगा बोलो. कैसे, they'll give one question like which of the following are in the fractions, arrange the fractions, okay, arrange the fractions. The fractions are 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 8 by 9 and 9 by 11. in कैसे अरेंज करना है, in ascending order, sorry, in descending order. Descending order means छोटे से बड़ा. Okay, so इसको कैसे करना है, I think if you know anyone you can share.
Sir,
do here, so हम क्या करेंगे, I'll take a now first what are the questions, 3 by 5 है ना, हाँ okay, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 I'll write in the fraction denominator form, sorry, decimal form. Okay, 3 by 5 decimal form में कैसे लिख सकते हैं, like 5 by 3, point लेना है, 0.6 is 30. Okay, this is your decimal form, so I'll write here 0.6. okay, so here 3 by 5 का decimal form क्या आ गया, 0.6 आ गया. ऐसे मुझे नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, 4 by 7. 4 by 7 का decimal form कैसे करना है, 7 by 4, 0.5 नहीं आएगा,
57.
yes, 0.571. okay, then 8 by 9 का
0.88.
0.88. 0.88
sir, 1.125.
bar.
कौन सा 1.125? They'll always ask, but what is the which of the fraction has a ascending order? They'll give all 4 options. इधर क्या करना है आपको, options देख के solve करना पड़ता है, option देख के solve करना पड़ेगा. Given 4 options here, and what they asked, find a fraction for in the given options. So here no need to find, सभी लेना नहीं है क्योंकि इधर एक ही डिजिट है, एक ही क्वेश्चन उन्होंने, they have changed the position of the fractions. Okay, so first what you have to do, take these all, find the decimals of those, like 1 by 3 का क्या आएगा, 0.99 आएगा. Okay, so like that, take a 1 and arrange everyone all the answers decimals in the ascending form, and whatever form you will get, check in this which is in that form. क्योंकि सभी करना नहीं है, इधर एक ही करना है क्योंकि ऑल वैल्यूज आर सेम हियर. So here
Option A.
Option option A. This question, just a second. Ascending order, no. Option A is correct. Okay, so 1 by 3 is 0.33. Okay,
0.33.
and 2 by 7 is 0.4.
0.4.
Yes, correct. And 4 by 7 is 0.57.
0.57.
Yes, correct. And 3 by 5 is 0.60. Okay, and 5 by 6 is 0.82.
0.8.
And 6 by 7 is 0.85. Okay, so first one will come. This is asked in the ascending order, na. So smallest and biggest. So इधर इनमें से फर्स्ट कौन सा आएगा? 1 by 3 आएगा. नेक्स्ट कौन सा आएगा? 2 by 5 आएगा. एंड नेक्स्ट 2 by के बाद 4 by 5 आएगा. 4 by 7 आएगा. नेक्स्ट 3 by 5 आएगा. उसके बाद 5 by 6 and उसके बाद 6 by 7. So the first one is the correct one. Okay, so this is the one form. They can ask ascending order or a descending order. So आपको find out करना है. So this usually in all the exams they'll ask like this. Okay, so there's the ascending and descending order, and they'll ask like simple addition also. They'll ask. One thing I want to tell, one more step. The question, take a next question. Take a next question. I'll just stop this. They'll give a question. 5.3472 into 324.23 divided by 3.489 into 5.42. Okay, is the same as option A. Okay, 53472 into 3.2423 divided by 3.489 into 54.2. Option B, 53472 into 32423 divided by 3489 into 542. And option C, 534.72 into 324.23 divided by 3489 into 5.42. And D is 53472 into 324.3 divided by 3489 into 542. Okay, so here what they are asking, which one is same as given in the question. Okay, इधर क्वेश्चन में कौन सा दिया है, ऐसे सेम ऑप्शन पे कौन सा है. Okay, how to find this? What you have to do, how to solve here? In the given expression, so either what, this is the given expression. Okay, in the given expression, what you have to do, difference between, okay, the note difference between, कौन सा difference रहना चाहिए, the difference between the sum of decimal places in the numerator. Okay, sum of decimal places in the numerator. So numerator में decimal places के सभी place को add करो. किधर है? Here is after decimal place how many points are there? 3 4 7 2 4 हो गए. And here 2 3. So after decimal how many points are there? How many digits are there? Total 7 digits. 3 4 7 2 sorry 6 digit. 3 4 7 2 2 3. इधर 4 है, इधर 2 है. So here sum of digits decimal places in the numerator. Sum of decimal places in the numerator. So here 4 plus 2 6. Okay, minus sum of decimal places in the denominator. Okay, sum of decimal places in numerator and minus sum of decimal places in denominator. Okay, so in the given question sum of places in the numerator is 6 minus sum of decimal places in the denominator is इधर कितना है? 3 है, इधर 2 है, 5. So 6 minus 5 is what? 1. Total is 1. So in same way ऑप्शन पे देखो, इधर भी आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए? 1 आना चाहिए. डिफरेंस कितना आना चाहिए? 1 आना चाहिए, क्योंकि एज पर नोट ऊपर का आंसर क्या है? 1 है. Sum of decimal places in the numerator is 6. Sum of decimal places in the denominator is 5. If you take a difference, you will get a 1. So ऐसे ऑप्शन पे चेक करो. इधर sum of decimal places in the numerator क्या है? इधर तो नहीं है, इधर 4 है. So here 4. इधर कितना है? 3 and 2 4. So here
D.
okay. So here if you do 4 minus 4, this is a 0. And here कितना है? 2 and 2 4. इधर क्या है? 4 है. इधर कितना है? इधर भी 4 है. So you'll get a 0. So इधर कितना है? इधर 0 है, ऊपर 0 है, नीचे भी 0 है. So 0. इधर कितना है? 1 है, 1. And नीचे क्या है? 0 है. So you'll get an answer as 1. So your answer is D. Okay, you'll get an answer as 0. So आपका आंसर क्या आया? इधर 0 आया. So this is the one form they'll ask. And another thing they'll ask question like so we'll solve one more thing. ये समझ में है ना? So ये रूल आपको हमेशा याद में रखना है. Sum of the decimal place in numerator minus sum of the decimal places in the numerator. Okay, then निकिता समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Such type questions also ask more. Okay, I'll take one more question. What is the value? The value of. Okay, so here 35.7 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? What will be the value for this? ट्राई करो. क्या आएगा आंसर? कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको? So first what you have to do, keep this same. Okay, you have to do fast. 35 point this 3 plus 3 into 3 is 9, so we'll keep it as 10 by 3 minus 2 plus here 2 plus 2 into 4 2 into 2 is 4, here 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 you will get, and next here, so what you will get 35.7, so 3 plus 3 by 10 you will get here, and here you will get 2 plus 2 by 5 you will get. Okay, then here 35.7 minus 33 by 10. Okay, here 12 by 5. Okay, 12 by 5 you will get. So at the end आपको इतना आया, then क्या करना है? So ये तो 10 से divide होगा, division multiply होगा, then here is a 2. So 3 5. Okay, so just keep like this. 3, this one is just do these two, इन दोनों को ऐड करो, 33 क्या आता है? 33 and 24 will get 7 and 5 7, so 57. Okay, by 10. So इसको decimal पे लिया तो 35.7 minus 5.7. Okay, so we'll get our answer as 30. So we'll get our answer as 30 here. Okay, we'll get our answer here as 3 0. Okay, so we'll see one more type. Next, they'll ask in a power form. They'll ask in a power form like if 1 raised to cube, 2 raised to cube, okay, and so on, plus 9 raised to cube. Okay, 1 raised to cube, 2 raised to cube, plus 9 raised to cube. Okay, so here if you add these all cubes, you will get an answer as 2025. Okay, 2025. Then the value of, okay, then the value of the same question I'll write in the other form. Like अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लिखा 0.11 cube, okay, plus 0.22 cube, okay, and so on, and the last point is 0.99 cube, and I'll get an answer as how much? I'll get an answer how much here. That what is the nearest answer? Okay, what will be the nearest answer? What will be the nearest answer? So how to solve? Just a second. This question, what you have to do? Just consider the given question. This is a reference. 1 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3, 9 raised to 3 is equal to 2025. So अगर ऐसा है तो इसका आंसर क्या आ सकता है? So what you have to do? Take a reference answer and for a solution consider this one. How to get this? Write this like given question is like this. Okay, 0.22 cube plus 99 cube. Okay, so in this, no, I'll take a common. Okay, I'll take a common 0.11. I'll take a common 0.11 cube. So I'll take a common 0.11 cube. So then what you will get? .11 cube if you take, so what will remains? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 99 cube. Okay, this will get remain. Then what you have to do, I know already this. So here 0.11 cube into 2025. Okay, so what is the answer of 0.11 cube? इसका क्या आंसर है 11 क्यूब का? I told you to make a list of cubes. 11 क्यूब का आंसर क्या है?
1331.
1331. Yes. So here 0.1111. So 1331 लिखो. Okay. तो decimal क्या है? 2 points. So just put a 20 before this. Okay. So if I put a cube here, how many points I should get after decimal? I should get a 6 digit. So I'll put here 0. Okay. So this is the answer. 00133 Then I'll put that answer here. 0.001331 into 2025. Okay. अगर मैंने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा आंसर? We have to multiply this. So we'll get an answer as 2.695275. This is nearly equal to 2.695. Okay. The main thing, you should not get confused. Whatever question they give, just take it a common. Take out a common and you will get the same form. अगर आपको common लिया तो ऐसे ही same form आएगा. उससे multiply करो, you will get an answer. So here, how you have to do quickly. This step is actually not required. This is not required. Just take a common point. Take it a common. Only take this. Quickly find out the cube root of this and multiply with this answer. You can skip these 2-3 steps. Directly you can take a cube value and multiply with the answer. Okay, like this they'll ask in the decimal point. Okay, so what I'll do today, I'll